In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Figma deleted files. Recover lost Figma files. If a design suddenly disappears, here is a good chance it's not gone forever. Figma keeps deleted items in a holding area for a limited time, and with a few clicks, you can bring them back to where they belong. Start in the Figma file browser. Look to the left sidebar and open the trash, sometimes labeled deleted. This view lists files you removed within the last 30 days, and it's tied to the workspace you are currently in. If you don't see what you expect, confirm you are in the right team or project space. You can also use the search bar at the top or sort the list to make locating the file easier, especially if you deleted several items recently. Once you spot the file you want, right-click it and choose Restore. This action tells Figma to reinstate the file exactly as it was at the moment you deleted it, including its pages and components. If you are unsure it's the correct one, preview the thumbnail and check the file name and timestamp before restoring. After you click Restore, give Figma a moment to process, especially for large files. When restoration completes, the file returns to its original location. If it lived inside a specific project, it reappears there. If it was in your personal workspace, you'll find it back in your drafts. This helps maintain your folder organization, so you don't have to hunt around to place it again. If the file doesn't show up in your trash, it may be because you didn't create it. Items created by a teammate and then deleted might not appear in your personal trash view. In that case, change the filter in the file browser to Created by Anyone. This widens the results so you can see files regardless of who made them, which often reveals the missing design. There is a time limit. After 30 days, items in trash can be permanently deleted. If that window has passed, your next step is to contact Figma support for help. They may be able to investigate recovery options, however, it isn't guaranteed, so act as soon as you realize something is missing. That's the process. Thanks for watching.